Hello and welcome you all in this video tutorial. This video is for class 10, chapter number 5, forms and frames. As I already started this chapter, now in this chapter we are going to understand how to create forms and frames. Dear students, in previous chapter I already explained how you create HTML tables, links, and how you are going to be use the various kind of tags in HTML. Now in this chapter I am going to explain you the working of forms and how you create a simple form. Dear student, as you can see the output of this particular form, I am going to write a HTML code for creating a simple form like this. So let us start. Open Notepad. Now start writing code. HTML first we need to write, next head part, next is title. Inside title suppose I give form 1, title close, next is head close, next body. Now use some busy color. You may use any color. Here I use cyan. Now if you want to specify this simple form at the top, so for this here I use font tag. Font size is equals to 21 or 20 is equals to, you must have to use double quote. Color is equals to red. Now if you want to put it in center, to use center tag. Next here simple form, font close. Now here use br tag for breaking the line. Here I want 2 line space. Next label is equals to, label for is equals to first name. Here first name, label close. Next input type is equals to text or text box in the sense, as I mentioned here, first name in front of this text box. So for this I am using here input type text. In next I need to break the line. Next again label for next field I am having is last name. Here label close. Next again input type is equals to text. Again I need to break the line, br tag. Next again label for email. Here email, label close. Next again input type is equals to text. Next I need one checkbox. For checkbox here first br, one more br tag for breaking the line. Input type is equals to checkbox. close, name is equals to check. Here I want to mention a text like set Google as my default home page. BR tag, again here only one more BR tag. Next I want input type is equals to button. Button value is equals to send. Again one more button, input type is equals to reset, value is equals to reset. Next center tag close, body close, HTML close. Next we need to save this form. So I save this form on desktop, IMG folder. So here I mention name, some meaningful name, FORM, form1.html. Now it was saved. Go to desktop and try to search that form. Go to desktop, IMG example, form 1. Now just see here, open by using any browser, Google. Now just see, you are getting a form. Here center is appear, so why it appear? I not use here close, that's why it was appearing. Refresh it. Now see, like this you create a form, but it not properly aligned. So for alignment, in next example I am telling you how to align this particular form. It means this text box should become in a same line. So how we will do? In next example I am going to tell you. Okay, now we are going to do the next example. In this example I am going to tell you how to align your form, adding radio buttons and how to add drop down. Dear student, here we are going to do the same code for this particular page, as you can see. Now if you observe it, then it was properly aligned. It means these lines are coming in proper manner, text box are aligned properly, and here if you can see, then we are getting two radio buttons. Below we can see the drop down and buttons, submit and reset. So let us start. Open Notepad. Now start. HTML, make it caps lock on. HTML, head, title, form 2, title close, head close, next body start, put some busy color is equals to yellow. Next I am going to, for aligning a form, I am going to use here table. Table, set height and width for this table. Height is equals to 40%. Width is equals to also 40%. Next, for this table I am going to create first tr. inside this I'm going to take th, and here I'm using call span is equals to 3. Why call span is equals to 3? Close th, next close tr. Here I am using call span because of, if you can see here, this one is in merged line, so that's why there I am using call span is equals to 3. That row and column is not appearing because I am not providing here table border. If you provide, then you can see the row and column also. If you want to change the color and font size of this simple form, so here you need to use font color is equals to red double quote red, size is equals to suppose 22, and here you need to close this font. And if you want to place this table in center, to use center tag here. Next again tr td first name, first name, td close, again td to put colon, next td for input type is equals to text, td close tr, again tr td last name, td close, again td colon td close td, here input type is equals to text, this td close, again tr close, next again one more tr for email, so here I am going to take td email, td close td td input type is equals to text, tr close, next one more tr here, td call span is equals to 3, center for radio button I am going to take input type is equals to radio, name is equals to gender, next is value is equals to male, double quote close, here also type male, and this, close this, this value spelling is wrong, ELUE value male, and the same code for adding this female also, so better to copy this and paste it here, make it female, and close this td, at last close this tr, again one more tr, td, call span is equals to 3. Here we need to add the drop down. For adding drop down, I need to take here select name is equals to cities, option okay, first option Delhi, close this option, again option, suppose Lucknow, option close, at last select close. Here I am having only two options, select close, at last I am going to add two buttons. So for this tr close, next again one more tr, td, call span is equals to 3. For button, input type is equals to button, value is equals to submit. I need one more button, again input type is equals to reset, or input type is equals to button, value is equals to reset. I'm going to close this td, now tr, at last table, center, body, at last HTML. Now save this file. So this file is going to be image folder, form2.html. Go and check, go to image file, image folder, inside this I am having form2. Try to run it. See, this one is not coming properly, so, and here text box is also not appearing. Go and check. First of all, here at the top, that font, F-O-N-T, font. Next, email text box not appearing. Email input type is equals to text. Save it, go and check, refresh it, simple form, and this text box is not appearing. So go and check it again. Input type is equals to text. Why it is not here? Close this, go and refresh it. Now appearing this, you need to place it in center. So go to here, this center, and for button TR TD TR. Okay. This also you need to place it in center. Try to refresh it. Now this button is not appearing properly. To go and check, reset, input type VALUE value. Now go and check it again. See, like this. So like this you may create a simple form and it was properly aligned.